Hey everyone, so I'm back and I'm kind of looking different than I usually do because I don't have my wig on, I don't have my makeup on yet, but I wanted to come on here before all those things and show you my special delivery. So I have a new wig and it's from RPG Show, of course, because they have some of my favorite wigs right now. And this one is special because this one looks a little bit different than the other ones that you guys seen on me lately. Lately it's been a lot of black bobs or like maybe some like red or like caramel highlights, something like that. But this one is different. This is what the box looks like when you get it. And excited, dude. So this wig is called Wigs by Charisse 008. It is silky, 14 inches, and I have the size 1, which is like the smallest wig size or like cap size. And then I have it in medium brown Swiss lace, and it's a 200 density wig. So it's basically exactly what you would see in the picture right here. It's exactly that. So, you know, depending on the lighting that you film in or take a picture in, it might look a little different here and there, but overall, I really am excited about the color and the tone of this highlight, of this, like, of the blonde, because I feel like it's gonna look really good on my skin tone. I guess we'll see. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys what else is in this box, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup on camera and do like a get ready with me. I already have my outfit on. I'm wearing an Anna Kwan dress that has like the back out, and it's kind of cold outside, so I'm just gonna wear boots and a cardigan. But I thought this would be a really cute wig to put on today. I am going to be filming a few videos today, so I'm going to do my makeup like I normally would, do my wig like I normally would, and show you guys the process. So I may or may not do a voiceover, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, let's get into it. Inside the wig, there are always the clips. So there's clips on either side, at the back, adjustable straps back here as well, and then lace. And I'm just going to go ahead, cut all of this lace off because essentially I don't need most of it. I'm just gonna make it look like my natural hairline, which is like pretty basic. I mean, it's nothing special about my hairline. Kind of square in shape. So that's how I'm going to make the lace on this wig. And then I put the clip underneath there. Then I take this part, pull it forward. This will be clipped up in a minute. I'm optimistic. I think this is going to be different, but it's going to actually look quite nice because it still has the dark root. So that's going to be promising. There is a clip right here and a clip right there, or a comb. There's a comb here and a comb here. Those combs are going to go like into the braid that you just saw. Let me just kind of adjust the combs. You don't want them to be too tight or feel like they're pulling, because they will pull your hair and they will kind of put too much tension on your actual hair or on your scalp. But as long as they feel comfortable and your wig is kind of laying where you want it to, then you're good. So I make sure kind of like my ears need to be kind of tucked under for the moment being. And then the hairspray is going to come last. First, we're going to go in with the hair gel. This is taking that because it's not a big deal. Essentially, you have to do this to match your hairline. So doesn't matter how you see me cut it, you have to figure out how your hairline looks, where you want your hairline to be, how much lace you want to be left, and then you have to customize it yourself. I can't give you like any instructions on how to cut the lace for your own head. So I'll be right back with the lace cut. Okay, so I cut the lace off, and I'm just gonna show you, I didn't actually cut an excessive amount of lace off. Like, I got all of the lace that was like obvious to you off, but like I still left a little tiny bit. Like, you see that? Like, I still left that lace, and then I just tried to get it kind of formed around the ear and cut off in the right way around the ear, but that part doesn't really matter too much because you can always fix that afterward. I could call it a day. I could call it a day. I could be like, you know what? Done. Because the wig is very, very seamless. Like, I could literally just like not, I don't even have to do much to it right now. But I am. I feel like Cruella de Vil. That's how I feel. Cruella de Vil. Coming for you. This would have been a great wig for Halloween. Anyways, once I have makeup on, I think it's gonna look so, so fabulous. I mean, it still looks good now though. It's just different because of the blonde. Then you definitely, I don't know if I would say you need this, but I need this. This product saves me on so many different occasions, and if I ever move out of the country, I'm going to bring like 10 of them with me so I never run out. So I just put this on the perimeter of my hair. And I know you're probably like, why is she doing this? Because it helps. It really makes a difference in how everything just lays, sounds so nicely. So then I'll take my comb. And I just want to make sure. I don't like baby hairs per se. Somebody very close to me the other day was telling me how much he hates baby hairs. And so I feel like me and baby hairs will never be friends. But I just like to take a comb and I make sure everything is combed off of my face. Do not judge the scarf. The scarf is very, I don't want to say very old, but it's been through a lot. I use a scarf like every day, so it looks a little rough. It's okay. And then I tie the scarf relatively tight. It's very tight actually, because I don't want there to be any lifting. And now I can do my makeup, because this is basically what I do every single day of my life. So I'll just go ahead and I'll do my makeup now. And yeah, let's see how that turns out with everything. And then once I'm almost completely done with my makeup, I'll take the scarf off. I'll put a little bit of foundation on the perimeter of my head where the scarf is right now, so everything just is seamless and like goes together, and then we'll be done. So it's makeup time. This is some bougie eye cream, to be honest. It's like definitely expensive, but it works. And then it's also nice to take your eye cream and put it on your lips. So if you have eye cream, don't just put it on your eye, put it on your lips as well, because they will say thank you. Let's shake it up. I like to use the Chantecaille sunscreen. I don't know why, I just think it is so nice. I just love how it makes my skin look and feel. I highly recommend this foundation to anyone who likes very dewy looking skin. I honestly feel like no matter whether you have oily or dry skin, this foundation looks incredible on so many people, and I really recommend you should go out and try this foundation. I will have it linked below. So the makeup is done. Doesn't it just like elevate how gorgeous the hair looks? I mean, it looked good before, but now let's see what it looks like underneath. I am going to take a dark foundation and put it on the lace a little bit, but like, hold on, I'm gonna have to like rip this off. Woo! I don't know. Not my best decision making. Oh my god. Woo. And then you just blend, 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 blend. And then it'll all look good in a minute. Okay, so I have not done anything to this hair as far as coloring or styling. This is literally fresh out the box hair, so it's a little bit disheveled. I don't know how I want to actually wear this hair today, so I mean, just y'all can just take in how it looks right now. All nice and seamless. Okay, so like I do have some parts where I'm gonna have to comb the lace out, but overall it looks absolutely amazing. And what I'm gonna end up having to do is just turn my straightener on. I kind of like the curl that we have, but then it's like because of the blonde in it, I kind of like how it looks when it's just like to one side like that. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do with the hair just yet. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I would love to know what you guys think. I decided to not show you me styling the hair because it was pure trash how I styled this hair. I literally just took a hot comb and put it in here and just laid this area down, and that was it. I didn't really do anything else to the hair, so it wasn't worth showing you. But this is the final result, and that's all that matters. What do we think? Do we like it? I like it. My friend Esther sent me a picture of these two lovely women who have something very similar going on, so I feel like I'm going to just rock this for a while. I mean, of course, I love my wigs from RPG Show. They're so versatile, and I feel like at any time I can always just like color these blonde pieces to something a little bit more interesting. But for the moment being, this is a vibe. This is a vibe, and it's gonna be my vibe for the next couple of weeks. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what hair I should do next. Should I do an all blonde wig? I feel like the answer from you should be yes. So comment below whether you guys think I should go full out and just do an all blonde wig. If the answer is yes, then I might surprise you next time. Anyways, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.